Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to write and design your own ebook in 2025 with zero writing experience and no design skills? In this beginner friendly tutorial, I will show you step by step how to write your ebook using ChatGPT and then design it beautifully using free tools like Canva or Microsoft Designer. Whether you want to sell it or give it away to grow your brand, this guide is for you. Step 1 is planning your ebooks. You need to decide what is your topic, who is your target audience, what's the goal of the ebook, sell, lead, magnet, or educate. Let's say your topic is how to start a small business in 2025. Go to ChatGPT, log into your ChatGPT account with your email address. Go to ChatGPT and type, give me a beginner friendly outline for an ebook on how to start start a small business in 2025. Then click enter. ChatGPT will generate a chapter by chapter outline. Tweak it to fit your voice. Now let's generate the content for each chapter. Copy your outline into ChatGPT and ask, write chapter 1 of this ebook in casual, easy to read tone. Make it about 500 words. You can even say add examples and make it sound like I am speaking to a beginner. Repeat this for each chapter, you will get full content fast. Always review and edit to add your own tone or story. You can ask ChatGPT to make it shorter, funnier, more technical, etc. Copy the outline. Now paste it here and write add examples and make it sound like I'm speaking to a beginner. Now it's time to design your ebook. You can use canva.com, recommended for ease. Microsoft Designer, great for AI assisted designs. Adobe Express, also beginner friendly. In Canva, go to canva.com. Now in the search bar, search for ebook or magazine template. Pick a layout you like business. Pick a layout you like, then click customize this template. Now copy the text from ChatGPT. How to start a small business. Resize the text. You can change the color, select all, then go to text color option, then choose one from here. Now go to ChatGPT and select part 1, copy the text and paste here. You can resize the text, change the font from Fonts tab, add visuals, icons, and page numbers. From Elements tab, you can add some icons from here, like line. Customize fonts and colors to match your brand. Use Canva's Brand Hub to save your colors and logos for later. Don't forget to design a strong cover page with your title, subtitle, and your name. A clickable table of contents, especially if you will export as a PDF. This make your ebook look professional and reader friendly. Now go again. ChatGPT and copy the text and paste it to here. Again, paste part 3. You can change the photos from here. Just click on it. Go to Uploads tab and upload a photo from your computer. Just click Upload Files and choose one from here, like shoes for this tutorial, and drag it to here, like that. It's look like clean and clear. This make your ebook look professional and reader friendly. When your ebook is done, click download or share button, then click download. Then choose PDF standard. You can now sell it on Gumroad, It's a Payhip, or your own website. Offer it for free in exchange for email addresses. Upload Amazon Kindle with some formatting tweaks. Always check your grammar and make sure all links and pages work. And that's it. You just created your own ebook using ChatGPT and free design tools. In less than a day, you can go from idea to published book, no writing or design background needed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.